Okay, so I got to my destination. Wow, I haven't drove that long in a very long time. Okay, so I got my mask. I just like this classic black one. Such a nice day, and it's not even hot. It's almost really surreal, but the fact that I have to walk around with a camera and a mask on. Oh my god, there's a bee attacking me. Hey guys, Angela here, and it is summer. Things are slowly opening up, at least in my area, as in stores. People are going out more, so I decided to take the opportunity yesterday to go out. I went to a Japanese store, and in that Japanese store, I found this. This is a Kakigori Maker, which is a Kakigori is a Japanese shaved ice. I got this maker. It looks like this. So everything's in Japanese, like all the instructions, but there's not really much into it. You add ice, you crush it. So there's two options. Either you could add your own ice cubes and then roll with it. It even comes with like a container where you put water in it and it will freeze it into like a disc. And that's actually how they do it in like a traditional shaped ice place. It would be like a big block of ice, and then they'll like scrape it down, and that's how you get like that fluffy texture. So let's open it. This is what it looks like. Very unappealing. It's very plasticky. I love this blue color. And so that's it. I already have the attachment freezing in the freezer. So we're gonna do two ways. We're gonna do it with the attachment, and then we're gonna do it with just the regular ice. Are you guys ready? Because I love shaved ice, and I hope you do too. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's shave some ice, y'all. Okay, so this is the attachment. It comes like kind of like in this Tupperware container. And if you open it, it's like a block of ice. I also have some shaved ice flavoring. This is like legit like this is the sign you would see in Japan. If you see a store with this sign, it means they sell kakigori. So this flavor, in the Japanese store, they sold all sorts of flavors. I decided to get something really Japanese. This is ramune flavor, and ramune is a Japanese soda. The flavor is very like a tutti fruity bubblegummy taste. It's actually really refreshing. So that's the flavor we're gonna be using. We're gonna plop our ice down in the attachment. We have our bowl. I'm gonna secure it down in the bottom, and then I guess all we need to do is put the attachment on top. And then I think I'm supposed to, okay, and then this is supposed to, well, there you have it. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna need a lot of force, like a lot of guns to do this. So let's, oh no, wow. You don't need to put a lot of force in it. Oh my god, that texture already. I don't know if you could see it. It's like snow. Whoa. Oh my god. I wish you guys could see like this fluffy snow-like texture right now. Let me get a spoon. This fluffy texture. Oh, the camera's not doing it justice right now. Look at that. It's so soft. Okay, before it melts, I just drizzle it. Oh, look at that blue color. Like, do you see? I hope you guys notice like how soft this texture is. Whoa. Let's try our first round of homemade kakigori with ramune syrup. Where has this been my entire life? Oh my god, this ice is so fluffy. You have to buy this. I'm gonna find this on Amazon and I'm gonna link it down below because this has to be one of the best purchases I've made all of quarantine. This ice is so melty, no chew, like it's like cotton candy, like ice cotton candy. That's what this tastes like. Very refreshing. It's just so delightful. Okay, let's see what this will work if you add regular ice to this mix. So I have my regular ice cube tray. Will give us the same texture as the cube circular cylinder of ice. All right, let's see if it will give us the same results. Oh, I see. It's not as easy to turn. So here, this is where it's not as easy to turn because it's not a smooth, solid piece of ice. There's bunches of pieces of ice in there, so the turning function isn't as smooth as it was. But to our surprise, the texture is the same. The consistency is the same with regular ice. It's just not as smooth as if you were gonna use the puck. Now for the toppings on this one, what I love about shaved ice, you can put whatever you want. You can do fruits, you can do condensed milk. In this case, I have some sweetened condensed milk and an avocado. Some of y'all might be like really excited that I'm doing this. Some of y'all might be confused. Let me explain to you. Southeast Asia and in the Philippines, we use avocados for dessert. It makes sense. They're a fruit, they're creamy, and they're not really sweet. So they'll take on whatever sweet flavor you add to this. And in this case, we will be adding sweetened condensed milk, which is also creamy and caramelly, and it goes really well with the avocado. So don't hate. And we're just going to drizzle it on top like this. Don't knock it until you try it, guys. Like, honest. Down the hatch. Freaking perfect. I love this thing. Best purchase. I kind of wish I bought a second one just in case, but I'm gonna link it down below, guys. This is literally the best, like, and it wasn't even expensive. It was like 10, 15 bucks, I think. Worth every penny. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like shaved ice, like me, or well, just me. I'll catch us guys later. Take care.